everyone, we are going to see 40 feet into 40 feet house plan, that is 1600 square feet house plan. For clarity, I have drawn this 40 feet into 40 feet draft plan using AutoCAD. Let's see in detail. This plan has 4 bedrooms. Let us see the dimensions of room, locations of doors and windows, locations of entrance, car parking size, how much it should be. We can see all those in this video. First I am going to show you where are all the columns located in this plan. The size of each column is 9 inch into 9 inch. These are all the columns location. Next I am going to show you the locations of wall. This blue color shows the wall location. This is 9 inch wall. Here all the walls are 9 inch wall. Next we can see the location of windows. Windows can be marked as W. These 3 are ventilators. Now we can see the locations of doors. These are all the doors. Next we can see all room dimensions. This is car parking area. 10 feet into 18 feet 9 inches. That is, length is 10 feet. And the breadth of car parking area is 18 feet 9 inches. Through Through these steps we can enter into this house. This is the living room. And the living room size is 11 feet into 19 feet 3 inches. That is, length is 11 feet and breadth of living room is 19 feet 3 inches. Then we are going to master bedroom. The size of master bedroom is 16 feet into 11 feet. This master bedroom has attached toilet. Toilet room size is 4 feet into 6 feet 3 inches. Length is 4 feet and breadth is 6 feet 3 inches. Then we are going to kids bedroom. And the kids bedroom size is 11 feet into 11 feet. Length also 11 feet, breadth also 11 feet. Then we are going to kitchen. The kitchen room size is 16 feet into 8 feet. Length is 16 feet and breadth is 8 feet. If you need storeroom, you can include it inside kitchen. Then we are going to dining room. The dining room size is 12 feet into 6 feet 3 inches. Then we are going to this room. This room is also master bedroom. And the size of this room is 16 feet into 11 feet. This master bedroom has attached toilet. The size of this attached toilet is 6 feet into 6 feet 6 inches. Then we are going to kids bedroom. The size of this kids bedroom is 10 feet into 11 feet. This kids bedroom has also attached toilet. And the size of this attached toilet is 4 feet 3 inches into 6 feet 6 inches. In case if you didn't plan to keep your common bathroom outside, then provide bathroom door here and close this wall. Finally, this is stair room. The size of this stair room is 10 feet into 8 feet. Stairway will be like this. Through this way we can go to first floor. Overall dimension of this plan is 40 feet. Here also 40 feet. This is the north direction of this plan. I hope this video is useful to you. If you want this plan, you can download it from the link I have given below in the description box. This plan has been done as per Vastu and also executed already. If you want house plan videos like this, kindly comment below. If you want new house plan at reasonable price, you can contact my WhatsApp number 935395591. My mail ID is shilosupdates@gmail.com. Thank you.